Hi and welcome back. Today we have another video of some products from Aliexpress. We have two microscopes here. On the left we have the AD210s Pro, and on the right we have the AD210. From the front you can't really see that much difference. The one on the left, the Pro version, has silver buttons. Picture quality on the left, the screen is definitely more clearer, brighter. Both screens are 10-inch, but both microscopes are doing a good job from that distance. Looking at the microscopes from the side, you can see a difference between the Pro version and the normal version. The Pro version stand is a little bit more adjustable. Other than that, not too many differences. Bases are exactly the same dimensions, and the height of the microscope is exactly the same. And now one of the main reasons why you might want to get the Pro version is the digital zoom. So on the normal version, we can zoom in, press the zoom in twice, and we get that level of digital zoom. On the Pro version, many more options of zoom, and as you can see, we do get a much closer view. So you could work with your microscope higher off your work, so you get a lot more space for your micro soldering. Get your tools in under the microscope. So that is a big advantage on the Pro version. Next, let's talk about recording video to the SD card. The Pro version allows you to copy files. It saves them as an MP4 format, and the normal version saves them as a .avi. So if you wanted to edit those videos and it's not compatible with that AVI format, you would have to convert those files into MP4 first before you carried on with your editing. Connectivity to the PC. The Pro version can connect with the USB cable and also with an HDMI. So if you're doing a repair on YouTube, for example, and you wanted to capture that video directly from the microscope to OBS, no problem. On the normal version, you don't have that option. You would have to capture to a SD card, and then afterwards you would have to add that video in your editing. I've been using both these microscopes for the last couple of weeks, and they have helped me out tremendously in my micro soldering. Obviously, the normal version's main advantage is the price. It's quite a lot cheaper, and if your budget doesn't stretch to the Pro version and you don't need to live capture to OBS, that would be the way to go if you're on a budget. If you do need to capture onto OBS and you want to use it for YouTube videos, things like that, and maybe connect it to even a larger screen, I connected it to a 46-inch TV and the picture was absolutely brilliant. The Pro version is definitely the way to go. Links to both these products as well as some discount codes for my viewers are in the description. As always, thanks for watching. Remember, there's always a fix, and I'll see you in the next one.